Most people believe that stacking cash in a savings account is the safest financial move they can make. This is a fatal misconception. In a high inflation economy, cash is not an asset, it is a guaranteed loss vehicle. Today, we install the Liquidity Trap Protocol to stop the silent erosion of your purchasing power and shift your capital into assets that outpace inflation. The error is cash worship. When you leave excess capital sitting in low-yield accounts, inflation acts as an invisible tax, steadily reducing what your money can actually buy. To survive, you must implement dynamic liquidity. Keep only what you need for short-term operational survival, your emergency buffer, and deploy the rest into productive assets, equities, or hard assets that appreciate alongside rising prices. Next, execute the purchasing power audit. Look at your current cash reserves and calculate how much value they lose every 12 months based on real-world inflation rates. This realization will shift your psychological baseline. You are no longer saving money, you are bleeding capital. Wealth is not built by hoarding stagnant currency. It is built by owning things that generate yield and hold intrinsic value. Finally, practice capital velocity. Move your money out of stagnant holding patterns and into structures that work. When inflation rises, debt devalues, and productive assets surge. By shifting your mindset from cash preservation to asset ownership, you turn a high inflation environment into a catalyst for exponential growth. Stop letting inflation rob your future. Audit your cash, deploy your capital, and build a fortress of appreciating assets. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time and money. Lead with value, not busywork. This is your protocol for total financial control.